Good morning, you guys. I am out here at the property. Yesterday, we got our excavation and our conduit done. And now this is from the power pole to our meter, where our meter is going to be on that pedestal over there. And that's about 320 feet from there. So it's a pretty good run. And then basically the power company is going to run it to the pedestal, and then we'll be responsible for running it from the pedestal to the house. And this gives us a couple benefits of going underground. Well, one, they're going to pull to the pedestal for free. So this trench is just about 4 feet deep, and obviously a pretty big task for it being the winter, you know, breaking through the frost. So luckily we were still able to get it done with a solid machine. Now with the pedestal right here, they're running it to here. Our meter's gonna be right here. And that's nice too, because it's not gonna be on our house. And a big benefit of the underground too is that it's not gonna be, well, there's no poles on the property for trees to knock down or mess with, or if you're doing a repair on your house, when the wires are ran into the side of the house, like for siding or soffit or trim, it always messes it up. And this will be a lot easier. It'll just poke through right by the sill plate. Let me know in the comments down below, do you think it's worth the extra amount of money to go underground for something this long for your house out here, set back from the road? Let me know down below, what would you do above ground, below ground? Now, we opted for, obviously the power is the 3-inch right there, and this is schedule 40 coming up to an 80 above ground. But we only need 40 because this is not over the drive, or the driveway's not over here, and this will be plenty sufficient for just this stuff here. And yeah, no crazy loads are going to be coming over this, so a little bit cheaper on the wallet, so that'll be nice. But yeah, the other one is going to be for internet connection. That's a 2-inch pipe, and he was asking if we wanted what is it, phone line or something. So sometimes you run a third, but yeah, we're not doing that. We just do internet and get everything else from that. So that's why we only have 2 here. For a while I was considering just doing Starlink internet and just not even putting the pipe for the internet. But I think that might be stupid to do it while we have the trench open anyway. It's not like it had to get any bigger for that. So we might as well put it in now, because if we redid this, it would be a whole shenanigans and be a lot of money.